Hey guys, it's Greg Hardy, and I want to welcome you to my channel. The world of personal finance is full of shocking statistics that reveal just how precarious our financial health can be. In this video, we're going to dive into the 8 most shocking personal finance statistics that will hopefully make you rethink how you handle your money. From unexpected spending habits to just hidden financial pitfalls, these revelations will make you rethink your financial choices. Not only will we go over these statistics, but I'll provide you with easy to implement and practical ways to overcome these statistics if you happen to be a part of them. But before we get into all that, I ask that you hit that like button and also consider subscribing to this channel if you're wanting to grow your wealth. It will also allow this video to reach a wider audience and help even more people. Now let's get started. A recent Go Banking Rate survey found that 34% of younger millennials, those aged 25 to 34, have less than $10,000 saved for retirement, and another 34% say they haven't even started saving. And for older millennials, a whopping 40% of them say they have not even started saving for retirement, and 21% have $10,000 or less. Also, Fidelity Investments did a report that found that millennials decreased savings rate in 2022, down by 0.2%. while simultaneously seeing the biggest increase in median incomes since 2020, up by $12,500. Millennials are facing significant challenges when it comes to saving money. Many are burdened with student loan debt, high living costs, and stagnant wages. These financial pressures are making it difficult for them to set money aside for emergencies, retirement, or major life events like buying a home. Despite their best efforts, many millennials find themselves living paycheck to paycheck with little room to build a financial safety net. To start saving more, you can take a few practical steps. First, create a budget to track your income and your expenses. This helps you to identify areas where you might be able to cut back and save more. Automating your savings is another effective strategy. Setting up automatic transfers from your checking to your savings account ensures that you save regularly without having to think about it. Additionally, paying off high interest debt as quickly as possible can free up more money for savings. Finally, seeking financial advice from professionals can provide you with personalized strategies to improve your financial health. By taking these steps, you can start gaining more control of your finances. 27% of U.S. adults have no emergency savings. This means that almost 1 in 3 people are unprepared for unexpected expenses like medical bills, car repairs, or job losses. Without a financial cushion, a sudden expense can quickly turn into a major financial crisis, leading to significant debt and stress. If you find yourself in this situation, there are steps you can take to start building an emergency fund. First, aim to save a small, manageable amount of money. Even if it's just $10 to $20 a week, it can add up over time. Next, look for ways to cut unnecessary expenses like dining out less or canceling any unused subscriptions. Another strategy is to put away any such windfalls like tax returns or bonuses directly into your savings. Finally, consider opening a separate savings account specifically for emergencies, so you're less tempted to dip into it for everyday expenses. By taking these steps, you can gradually build a financial safety net and gain some financial peace of mind. 65% of Americans don't have a written financial plan. This means many people are managing their money without a clear strategy, which can lead to missed opportunities for saving, investing, and reaching financial goals. Without a plan, it's easy to lose track of where your money is going and end up feeling stressed about your finances. Did you know that people are 42% more likely to carry out their goals just by writing them down? Creating a written financial plan doesn't have to be complicated. Start by setting clear financial goals like saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. Write down these goals and the steps you need to take to achieve them. Next, create a budget that tracks your income and expenses. This will help you see where you can cut back and save more. You can use apps or simple spreadsheets to keep everything organized. Finally, review and update your plan regularly to make sure you're on track. By having a written financial plan, you'll have a roadmap to guide your financial decisions and help you reach your goals faster. 44% of Americans couldn't cover a $1,000 emergency. This means that almost half the population would struggle to pay for an unexpected expense like car repairs or medical bills or home fixes. Living without a financial cushion can cause a lot of stress and lead to more debt when emergencies happen. If you find yourself in this situation, there are steps you can take to start saving for emergencies. First, try to set aside a small amount of money each month, even saving just $20 to $50 a month can really add up. Also, look for ways to cut back on non-essential spending like eating out or buying coffee. Another good tip is to save any extra money you get, such as tax refunds, bonuses, or gifts. Keep your emergency savings in a separate account so you're not tempted to spend it. I recommend using a high-yield savings account so you can earn a little extra money in interest. By making small changes and saving regularly, you can build up an emergency fund and be better prepared for unexpected expenses. 50% of Americans don't know what a 529 plan is. A 529 education savings plan is an investment account that offers tax benefits when used toward qualified education expenses for the account's beneficiary. Earnings grow tax-free, and when used for qualified education expenses, distributions are federally tax-free. Using a 529 plan has many benefits. First, the money you save in a 529 plan grows tax-free, which means you won't have to pay taxes on the earnings as long as you use the money for qualified education expenses. Qualified expenses include not only tuition and fees, but also room and board, books and supplies, computers and software, as well as other materials directly related to school. Another benefit is that some states offer tax deductions or credits for contributions to a 529 plan, which can help you save even more. Plus, having a 529 plan can encourage regular savings and help you reach your education savings goals faster. By learning about and using a 529 plan, you can make a real difference in how you prepare for future education costs. Also, with the 2022 passage of the Secure 2.0 Act, 529 account owners can roll over any unused 529 assets into a Roth IRA for the 529 beneficiary, subject to certain criteria and limitations. You can open a 529 plan through various financial institutions and state programs. State-sponsored programs allow you to open a plan online through your state's official 529 plan website. Many banks, credit unions, and investment firms like Vanguard, Fidelity, and Schwab also offer 529 plans, which can be opened via their websites. For personalized advice, you can also work with a financial advisor to help you choose and open the best plan for your situation. Over 100 million Americans have car loans. According to the Federal Reserve, current auto loans now stands at $1.61 trillion. This massive amount of debt is putting a strain on personal finances, making it harder for people to save for other more important goals like buying a home or saving for retirement. The average monthly car loan payment in the U.S. is $762 for new vehicles and $523 for used ones as of the first quarter of 2024, according to Cox Automotive. High monthly payments and interest rates can also lead to financial stress and difficulties in managing everyday expenses. To manage and reduce car loan debt, there are a few practical steps that you can take. First, consider refinancing your car loan to get a lower interest rate or better terms, which can in turn reduce your monthly payments. Paying extra toward your principal each month can also help you pay off the loan faster, which will save you more money on interest. Additionally, when buying a car, try to make a larger down payment to reduce the loan amount and choose a car that fits within your budget. By being proactive and making smart financial decisions, you can better manage your car loan and reduce the overall debt burden. 78% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck. A 2023 survey conducted by Payroll.org highlighted that 78% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, a 6% increase from 2022. In other words, more than 3/4 of Americans struggle to save or invest after paying for their monthly expenses. Living paycheck to paycheck can lead to financial stress and just make it much more difficult to handle unexpected expenses. Without a financial cushion, even small emergencies can turn into major financial problems. To break the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck, there are a few steps that you can take. First, create a budget to track your income and your expenses. I know I've mentioned this before, but this is crucial. This will also help you see where your money is going and identify any areas where you can cut back. I have several videos on budgeting that I'll link in the description. But even small changes like reducing dining out or canceling your unused subscription services can make a really big difference. I mentioned this before in this video, but try to build an emergency fund by saving a small amount each month. Start with a savings goal of, say, $500 and gradually increase it. Automating your savings can make it much easier to stay consistent. Finally, consider looking for ways to increase your income, such as taking on a part-time job or maybe a side hustle. By making these changes, you can start to build a financial cushion and reduce the stress of living paycheck to paycheck. Only 57% of Americans are financially literate. Financial literacy refers to the knowledge you have about money and the options you have for saving and investing it. Financial literacy includes understanding basic concepts like budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. Without this knowledge, it's easy to make mistakes that can lead to financial mistakes and difficulty achieving long-term goals. To improve financial literacy, there are several steps that you can take. First, seek out resources like books, websites, online courses that teach financial basics, and even this channel. Many libraries offer free workshops, and there are numerous reputable websites dedicated to financial education. Another helpful step is to use budgeting apps, which can help you track your spending and savings. Additionally, talking to a financial advisor can also provide you with personalized guidance and help you create a financial plan tailored to your needs. By taking these steps, you can improve your financial knowledge and make smarter decisions about your money. Guys, I have a favor to ask. If you are in one of these statistics and you're comfortable sharing your story, I'd love to hear about it. Post it in the comments if you are or were in one of these statistics and how you are planning to, or better yet, how you overcame it. Be an encourager to others who are watching this video. Thanks in advance for doing that. If you want to learn more about growing your wealth, then check out this video right here. But before you do that, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you liked this video and that you got something out of it. I'll see you in the next one.